Hey, chicken. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Well, that's good to hear. I'm tired. I finished all my classes today, and now I'm tired. But I had a really delicious chicken sandwich. So today we're going to read a story. What's the story? The story is called Chicken Licken, and it's by Gil Munton and Christine Pym. It looks pretty cool, and it is about a chicken. All right, are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's go. Chicken Licken. Okay. Oh, I love the art. The art in this story is really neat and kind of funny. Talk! Something fell out of the tree and hit the chicken in the head. Ow! The sun fell on me. Is that the sun? No. Chicken Licken ran to the barn. The barn is where the chickens live. This is the barn. See, there are other chickens and baby chicks and eggs. Hen Len, the sun fell on me. Shall we go and tell Cock Lock? This is Hen Len. Chicken Licken and Hen Len ran to the farmyard. Cock Lock, the sun fell on me. Shall we go and tell Duck Luck? What do you think, chicken? Do you like this story yet? Yes, it's about chickens. Yep, it is. All right, let's go. They all ran back to the garden. Duck Luck, the sun fell on me. The sun, Chicken Licken? Look up, Chicken Licken. I feel like the duck might be a little smarter than the chickens. Sorry, chicken. Oh. Can you see the nuts? A nut fell on you, not the sun. Ooh, I like nuts. And they are all over the ground. What do chickens eat? Hey, chicken. Do you know what chickens eat? Yes. Chickens eat bugs, grass, nuts. What else? Apple pie, bugs. I see. Boop. A nut? A nut, Chicken Licken. There's the nut, right there on the ground. It hit him in the head, and he thought it was the sun. Okay. I like chickens. Chickens are funny. Here is the story. Can you retell it, chicken? Let's try. Doop. Doo doo doo. Ooh, no. What? Oh. I'm not sure how to move you. Okay, we'll just not do that. Okay, chicken. So, boop boop boo doo 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 doo. Boop. Thank you. Chicken, what did you do today? Today, I went to school. You went to school? Yes. Do chickens go to school? Yes. Chickens go to chicken school. Oh. Do you go to chicken school? No. I don't go to school at all. I stay home and I teach on my computer, but I often go out and ride my bicycle. I go to chicken school and I learn with my chicken teacher. Are you a chicken teacher? Yes, I am a chicken teacher. I read storybooks about chickens, and I only have one student, and he is a chicken. Oh, speaking of only one student, if you are interested in doing online classes with me and chicken, you can go, not there, there, to possumstime.com and book a class. You can book just one or several if you want. 皆さん、よろしくお願いします。私はヨシュアさんです。英語の先生です。英語のクラス取りたかったら、ここ行ってできるよ。ありがとうね。じゃあ、バイバイ。